Exercise 1.6 first question. If n of a cross b equal to 6 and a equal to the set 1 comma 3, then n of b is dash. Options are 1, 2, 3, 6. The correct answer is option C 3. The answer எப்படி வந்துச்சு நம்ம இப்போ ட்ரை பண்ணோம். Given n of a cross b equal to 6 and a equal to the set 1 comma 3. a equal to set 1 comma 3 na n of a equal to 2. நமக்கு தெரியும் n of a cross b equal to n of a into n of b. நம்ம வேல்யூஸை சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ 6 equal to 2 into n of b. n of b equal to 6 by 2, 3. Now the second question. A equal to the set a, b, p. B equal to the set 2 comma 3. C equal to the set P, Q, R, S. Then n of A union C cross B is dash. Options are 8, 20, 12, 16. The correct answer is option C 12. Okay, நம்ம answer try பண்ணுவோம். A equal to the set A, B, P. B equal to the set 2 comma 3. C equal to the set P, Q, R, S. Now A union C equal to A union C ஐயும் சேர்த்து எழுதணும். Set A, B, P, Q, R, S. இப்போ n of A union C என்ன வரும் 6. B equal to the set 2 comma 3. அப்போ n of B equal to 2. n of A union C cross B equal to n of A union C into n of B. That is 6 into 2, 12. That is the answer. Now the third question is, if A equal to the set 1, 2, B equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, C equal to the set 5, 6 and D equal to the set 5, 6, 7, 8. Then state which of the following statement is true. Options are A cross C is the subset of B cross D. B cross D is the subset of A cross C. A cross B is the subset of A cross D. D cross A is the subset of B cross A. The correct answer is option A. A cross C is the subset of B cross D. Answer try பண்றோம். Given data first write பண்றோம். A equal to the set 1, 2, B equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, C equal to the set 5, 6 and D equal to the set 5, 6, 7, 8. First we find A cross C. It containing the ordered pairs 1, 5, 2, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. B cross D. B cross D க்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும்? The set containing the ordered pair 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. இப்போ ரெண்டையும் செக் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம். A cross C is the subset of B cross D. That is the answer. Fourth question. If there are 1024 relations from a set A equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to a set B, then the number of element in B is dash. Options are 3, 2, 4, 8. The correct answer is option B 2. Okay. Solution போலாமா? கொடுத்துருக்காங்க A equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. அப்போ n of Aங்கிறது 5. Total number of relations that exist from A to B is 2 power PQ. அப்போ இந்த 2 power PQ தான் 1024. இங்கே Pங்கிறது 5. 2 power PQ equal to 1024. அப்போ 2 power 5 into Q equal to 1024. 1024 நான் 2 பவரில் எழுதணும். அப்போ என்ன வரும்? 2 10 times மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் எனக்கு அந்த ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். 2 power 5Q equal to 2 power 10. பேஸ் சேமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா பவரை ஈக்குவல் பண்ணலாம். அப்போ 5Q equal to 10, Q equal to 10 by 5, 2. Therefore, n of b is 2. Now, the fifth question is the range of the relation R equal to the set containing the ordered pair x comma x square where x is a prime number less than 13 is dash. Options are the set 2, 3, 5, 7, the set 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, the set 4, 9, 25, 49, 121, the set 1, 4, 9, 25, 49, 121. The correct answer is option C, the set 4, 9, 25, 49, 121. Okay, solution. நமக்கு prime number less than 13 என்ன வரும் 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. இப்போ இதுக்கெல்லாம் ஒவ்வொரு நம்பராக x எடுத்து x squared கண்டுபிடிக்கும். x2 means x squared 4, x3 means x squared 9, x equal to 5, x squared equal to 25, x equal to 7, x squared equal to 49, x equal to 11, x square equal to 121. அப்போ இந்த x square தான் range. அப்போ range equal to the set 4, 9, 25, 49, 121.